Welcome and what is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to be doing a daily recap, except today we finally hit a green day. And I'm going to be talking all about it, all the things I traded. But before we get into that, I'd really appreciate if you guys like my uploads and like what I'm doing. I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate we hit over 300 subscribers and it's growing rapidly. I love your guys' support and I want to thank you guys so much for that. So, getting into my Robinhood portfolio and what I traded today. For those who don't know, I am a swing trader and I swing trade stocks. My goal is to grow $200 up to $1 million. And I'll do that by growing my portfolio by around 5% every week for around 4 years, which will lead to around $1 million with the exponential growth. So, the stock that I traded today, I didn't really trade stocks today, actually. The only thing I did was hold a few stocks right here, as you can see. We'll start off with DWT. And for those who stay to the end, I'll tell you the secret stock that may end up giving me actually 50% return on my investment. So just stay tuned for that. Okay, so DWT is the inverse of crude oil for those who don't know. And it recently hit off the resistance. I'm pretty sure it was yesterday right around here. It off the resistance. It may create a head and shoulders pattern, but I'm not positive because it hasn't started creating it yet. I mean, we can't tell yet. That's what I mean. So we just have to see how this goes, but it's definitely on its way back up. So all I have to do is be patient and hold it on its way back up. DWT. So I don't have to be afraid of anything with that one. The only thing I'm really afraid of is TVIX, but I'll get into that after we go over Crocs. So Crocs, I've been scouting for a while, and I finally had the time, or I mean, not time, but I have finally had the confidence to buy into the stock. And as you can see, it's been on an uptrend pattern for at least like the last year. That was like 2 years because it used to be descending. But if you look at it, it's on an uptrend pattern. If we were to draw a support line, it would be right around where it hit right here and right here. So I saw it hit off the support and it was pretty overextended this one day. So I decided to buy it after a little pullback. I bought right at the price where it is right now. So I'm not down and I'm not up on this position, but I'm looking for it to go up. As you can see, last time, also when it went up like this, then it had a little downturn, like a pullback, and then it just went crazy up. It had like one more, but it went crazy upwards, and that's what I'm looking to see with Crocs again. Hopefully this week, well, there's only Friday left, but like probably next week or the week after, but it's not going to be a super long-term hold. So that's what I'm happy about. It's going to be a quick swing trade. So, yeah, I'm just hoping for this one to go up. According to the technical analysis, it's looking to go up. So, yeah, there's nothing to worry about this one. Just be patient and wait for the pattern to just reveal itself and just go on. And the one you've been waiting for, those who stay to the end, TVIX, I have not lost all my faith in this one, even though I should have a long time ago. I keep doing analysis on this one every day, and I find that it still has potential to bounce back up. You guys are like, dang, this stock fell by 8% last week. Well, it's not that bad considering the fact that it has a potential to go up around 50 to 55, even to 60% higher than where it is right now. So the exciting thing about it is it has a consistent pattern, except last time it broke up a little bit above, well, a little, twice as high it went, but the support would be around $34 to $35, but it went much below that. But since it's slightly downtrending support line, then it's anywhere around this area where it could bounce back up. So if it does not bounce anymore back up, if it does not continue trending upwards, then I'm getting rid of the position. I don't want to hold this stock. It's losing. I lost 12% on it because one time I saw a bounce, but it was a fake bounce. So I bought it right around here. I think when it bounced, no, it might have been right here. Yeah, there was a bounce where it was exactly at the support line if you were drawn horizontally. But the real support line turns out that it was actually a little bit below. So right around here, if it doesn't make this bounce and continue uptrend like it did in the last few months, like here, then I'm just getting rid of the stock and I don't want to look at it because I don't want to hold losing stocks. Unlike DWT, which I did, but it's better to hold this stock knowing that it's going to go back up instead of taking my losses. I mean, I have time. I can hold it, and yeah, I'm still in 2 other positions with TVIX and Crocs, so there's many things going on, and tomorrow will be an interesting day. And one more stock for those who stay to the end. You get a prize. I forgot what it was. I think it was SZAN. Someone in our Discord chat shouted out. I'm pretty sure it was Riri, so shout out to Riri. If you want to join our Discord server, I have a link to it down below in the description, and I'm probably gonna post it in the comments section. She shouted this stock out, ZSAN, when it was right around $2.70. So I'm pretty sure she's interested in trading penny stocks. And I looked at this stock and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. So I started doing some technical analysis on it. And there was like a triangle pattern and it broke out. And it went up like crazy, as you can see. So today went up by 171%. You could have more than doubled your money in one day. So how crazy is that? And I'm not saying this stock will potentially have more moves, because previously, like, it did have those big spikes right here, as you can see. There's one previously. It had a huge spike and then just fell back down. So we'll see about this, but I'm probably not going to trade it anyway because it's volatile penny stock. So I'm not into those. I'm more into swing trading. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and again, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate if you guys can like it, and join our community in the Discord server, and subscribe as well. If you are interested in what I'm doing, and are interested in trading stocks, then feel free to message me anywhere on Discord. That'll be fine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week.